Hey guys, it's Kay. Thanks for checking out my website here and actually coming to this video. So you might have seen something online that I posted and it kind of got your attention. So I'm happy for you to be here. Listen, there's a lot happening online that people are trying to make money online and it's a struggle. I get it. Totally understand. Been there, been in the healthcare field for over 20 years. Got out of that and actually started doing real estate and then kind of somehow I was led back to online because I actually did not want to be online with all the yo-yo things that were going on. So this is the space I'm in now where I see and realize that you know what, people can make a lot of money online. And the struggle that I faced when I was online prior to, you know what, venturing into real estate was the idea that you couldn't get people to join with you. That was the biggest thing. You have the best opportunity in the world, but guess what? No one's trying to join with you because you don't know how to get them to join. And here's what I'm going to tell you. You don't need to struggle and chase after people to join with you. Now, that's what we've been taught to think that we need to chase people, call up your friends and families, talk them into things, try and convince them. When I'm telling you, it doesn't have to be like that. So, you're here to look at something that I might potentially be able to help you with. And that's the idea that if you're not making any money, you can start making money. If you're just making a couple hundreds of dollars online, you could actually start making thousands. And if you're making thousands, you can make millions. So, based on that, if that's what you want, because we realize this life is not waiting for us. We could be, all fluffed up about the idea that, oh, money doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't. But at the end of the day, when that bill comes, when that emergency hits, when your family is in pain and you don't have the money to give them whatever services that they need or you need, then money becomes an issue. And all I'm saying is if you can make the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time, so you're not wasting your life chasing money and you could finally have the time to enjoy your families, to live the life that you want, and to enjoy the pleasures of life that you want to enjoy, then that's what I'm inviting you to explore an opportunity that allows you to have that and allows you to have it quickly. So if you're seeing what I'm saying and you're saying, you know what, Kay, show me this. You know what? If nothing else, just show it to me. And this way you can make an informed decision for yourself. Then I'm inviting you to fill out whatever information is below this page so we could definitely, get you to that space where you could look at this thing and make a decision and then decide for yourself if you're going to stay where you are, which is perfectly fine, or you want something greater. So the link is below this page or somewhere here that will give you information of what to do next. And then hopefully I'm looking very forward to actually showing you a gateway of how much power you have to literally start creating monies for yourself that literally become life changing. So the information is below. I hope to see you very soon.